You finna just handle it now, man? Fuck you tripping. You tripping, cuz. You tripping, cuz. You tripping, cuz.
Get the fuck off of me.
This shit get active. Move, let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
You let me go.
Go.
Ow,
Let
stop.
me go, bro.
Let
me go.
It's a reach
Let me go, bro. Let me go. What the fuck is wrong with you, Jeff?
What's wrong with you, batty boy?
Let me go.
Get off.
Let me go, pussy wad. The fuck off me, bro.
Get up, get up. Get the fuck out of here.
Fuck off me. Bro, shut up, man.
Leg off.
Bro, get off. Fuck off me, bro. What is up with you, cuz?
I'm afraid of you. Take your foot out of my face. Take your foot out of my face.
Get off me, bro. Fuck off me, Kush. Kush. Let's stop with you, Kush.
No, I'm gonna stop you.
Why are you trying to stab me, bro?
Oh.
Bro, stop fucking biting me, bro. What is wrong with you?
Come on.
Chill, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Chill out. Chill.
Get the fuck out of my house.
No. No, you gotta call the police.
Out.
No.
You're gonna see us serious. Out.
Bro, chill out with that
Get the
shit.
fuck
Chill.
out.
Bro, chill out with that.
Come out now.
Alright.
Leave.
Put the knife down, I'll leave.
Leave.
Put it down, I'll leave.
Leave. I don't give a fuck.
it
Go.
down.
Go.
Put it
Go. Nigga, you don't even know. Me don't give a fuck. Police have to go lock me up tonight. Come out.
Put the knife down.
Go.
Put the knife down.
Call a ride and go and do your business.
Bro,
Anything.
put the knife down, bro.
Out. I'm not stopping you. I'm not stopping you. Go. Go on. Go.
Put the knife down.
Go.
Put the knife down.
Go on.
Bro, put the knife down, bro.
You're gonna make it worse in the car. If I put on my phone and gotta load.
Bro,
Come
put the knife down.
out. Me not trouble you.
Leave.
Sit up, me give you a pass.
Leave.
I give you a pass.
Bro, put the knife down.
Go on.
Put the knife down.
And if you make me have to run you down, it'll go worse.
Put the knife down.
Get the fuck out of my place. Me don't want you. Yeah. Leave.
Leave. Start there.
Go.
Alright.
Make sure I show the people. Like, go, bro.
Alright,
Go.
now put the knife up.
Go. Leave. Leave. I don't give a fuck. You take me to the ramp when I say me that go fuck. Go on. Fuck out of here. Stop your mother batty boy. So the deepest part of your mama. You take me a ramp. And you can screen record that suck on the mother too. All I wanna. Come out of my blood clot face. Pick you up at which airport and me you come fuck and jolly. Go suck your mother. Suck your mother raw. Oh, come pick me up at the airport, babe. And if I pick you up and me you good. If you feel like you can come diss me. And I come tell people I want to buy your venues with your liar self when they prove did it. When I say the blood clot finance me a finance, so you can't go finance because your mouth stink and I don't want a blood clot man with grills. Go suck out your mother, your dead mother where you say you not like. Should even take care of you. And me if I come live with, tell the people them that. See, I mean that go put you up. The fuck? The fuck? Come for me at the airport. Of course me go pick you up. You did think this is a go jolly and alright? Go suck your mother. Suck your mother raw too. And you can call the cops them, me no give a fuck. But don't batter you. With your bloody this and your bloody that from my blood clot sheet. Your stain blood. I forgot change my sheet. Suck your mother, boy. Like you can't come style me. Ring out your mother. And I make people feel I never run down a boy yet. Or them ever blood clot text me tell me, sir. I never run them down yet. Suck your mother. And go for your pee popo we have. Batty boy. I only can go suck on the mother too. Cause the boy still pop up on my blood clot. Yeah, him can't even help himself. Blood clot. Yeah, him.
Chill out. Chill.
Get the fuck out of my house.
No. No, you gotta call police.
Out.
No.
You gonna see us serious. Out.
Bro, chill out with that.
Get the
shit.
fuck
Chill.
out.
Bro, chill out with that.
Come out now.
Alright.
Leave.
Put the knife down, I'll leave.
Leave.
Put it down, I'll leave.
Leave. I don't give a fuck.
it
Go.
down.
Go. Go.
Put it
Go. Nigga, you don't even know. Me don't give a fuck. Police have to go lock me up tonight. Come out.
Put the knife down.
Go.
Put the knife down.
Call a ride and go and do your business.
No,
Anything.
put the knife down, bro.
Out. I'm not stop you. I'm not stopping you. Go. Go on. Go.
Knife down.
Go.
Put the knife down.
Go on.
Bro, put the knife down, bro.
You're gonna make it worse in the car. If I put on my phone and gotta look.
Bro,
Come
put the knife down.
out. Me not trouble you.
Leave.
See the me give you a pass.
Leave.
I give you a pass.
Bro, put the knife down.
Go on.
Put the knife down.
And if you make me have to run you down, it'll go
Put
worse.
the knife down.
Get the fuck out of my place. Me don't want you. Yeah. Leave.
Leave. Start there.
Go.
Alright.
Make sure I show the people. Like, go, bro.
Alright,
Go.
now put the knife up.
Go. Leave. Leave. I don't give a fuck. You take me to the ramp when I say me that go fuck. Go on. Fuck out of here. Suck your mother batty boy. So the deepest part of your mama. You take me a ramp. I only can screen record that. Suck on the mother too. All I wanna. Come out of my blood clot face. Pick you up at which airport and me you come fuck and jolly. Go suck your mother. Suck your mother raw. Oh, come pick me up at the airport, babe. And if I pick you up and me you good. If you feel like you can come diss me. And I come tell people I'm want buy your venues with your liar self when the proof did it. When me say the blood clot finance me a finance, so you can't go finance because your mouth stink and me don't want a blood clot man with grills. Go suck out your mother, your dead mother where you see you not like. Should even take care of you. And me if you come live with, tell the people them that. See me that go put you up. The fuck? The fuck? Come for me at the airport. Of course me go pick you up. You did think this is a go jolly and alright? Go suck your mother. Suck your mother raw too. And you can call the cops them, me no give a fuck. But don't batter you. With your bloody this and your bloody that from my blood clot sheet. Your stain blood. I forgot change my sheet. Suck your mother, boy. Like you can't come style me. Ring out your mother. And I make people feel I never run down a boy yet. Them ever blood clot text me tell me sir. I never run them down yet. Suck your mother. And go for your pee popo we have. Batty boy. I only can go suck on the mother too. Cause the boy still pop up on my blood clot. Yeah, him can't even help himself.
She beat the fuck out of me, bro. She tried to pull my hair out. She bust my lip. Tomorrow, bro. I gotta go way back to Tampa, bro. She put me out, y'all. She played it, I ain't gonna lie, she played it smart though. She played it smart. She picked me up from the airport, brought me like an hour away and then put me out. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Oh, I got a fucking headache, dude. She tried to pull my fucking hair out, bruh. Fuck. Damn, I wish I ain't had dreads, bro. She trying to pull my hair out. I'll be dead wrong. I'll be dead wrong if I get in her shit and drive off. She got me fucked up. She locked this bitch. I got a fucking headache, bro. I have a fucking headache. I don't even know how to get the fuck out this shit, bro. I don't know how to get the fuck out, bro. I'm finna steal a nigga bike. I'm finna steal a nigga bike. My mama. Ah, fuck, I can't even walk. Ah, shit. I gotta fucking try. Ah, shit. I got a fucking cramp. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. I got a Charlie horse. I got a Charlie. Ah. Ah. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck. I got a Charlie horse, bro. Ah. Fuck, that shit hurt. Fuck. Ah, shit. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Oh my fucking God. Chat, if y'all never had a Charlie horse, bro. Ah, shit. That's the worst cramp. Ah, fuck. Chat, I'm in the middle of this. I don't even know where the fuck I'm at. You see it? Ah, fuck. I don't lie, I can't lie, I don't play them knife games, bruh. I don't play them knife games, child. She got the big ass knife like this big on my mama. Hell nah, bitch. I got stabbed once before. Fuck that. Ah, shit. Ah, fuck. It's the worst cramp you can ever have on my mama. Child, how the fuck do I get? Call Uber? I gotta figure out how the fuck I get out of here first. Ah, shit. I think I gotta walk it. I think I gotta walk it off. I think I gotta walk it off. When I do get active, I catch major cramps. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. How the fuck do I get out of here, bro? What the fuck? How the fuck do I leave? How do I leave this bitch? She played that nice. I ain't gonna lie, she played that lovely. She literally got me from the airport. And she knows she stayed like an hour away from that bitch. She did that nice as hell. How the fuck do I get out of here, bro? Oh, perfect. I can't get a rental car, chat. She has your keys. My keys in my bag. Can I get it? Chat, can I get a rental in Atlanta at this one? I'll draw home. I'll drive back to Temple. Oh yeah, exit right there, chat. Exit right there. Exit right there. I need some AC. Oh, I need some fucking. Lovely. Oh, lovely. I keep catching cramps. Ow. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Chad. She tried to pull my hair out, bro. She literally tried to pull my hair out. She tried to pull my fucking hair out, chat. Ah, fuck, I keep catching cramps. Ah, fuck. Ah, oh, shit. Oh. Ah, fuck. I keep catching cramps, chat, I swear to God. Ah. Oh, that shit bad. Ooh, shit. Ah. 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 Let me just say walk it out. I walk it out. I walk it out. Ah, fuck, that shit hurt. It hurt, it hurt, it hurt, it hurt. It fucking hurt. Oh, shit. Chat, how do I get a Charlie? Chat, how do I get a Charlie horse out? Oh! Chat, I swear to God, I'm not even trying to be funny. Merch. If y'all ever had a Charlie horse, chat, that shit hurt because you need water. Chat, she tried to pull my hair out. She literally fucking bit me. Chat, she literally fucking bit me. She bust my fucking lip. My whole shit was bleeding. Then she grabbed a big ass knife, chat. Oh my mama, I don't play knife games, chat. I got the fuck on. I don't play knife games, chat. I do not play those games, chat. Nigga got stabbed before, bro. Never again. Don't fuck with Jamaicans. I love that shit. I love that shit. I'll die for that shit. I'll put that pussy on the line and fight for that pussy. Y'all tripping. That's that Jamaican shit. That shit get water. I got lost in that coochie. My mama. I said, bitch, you better not get this pussy up to nobody. She put me out. Oh, mama, she put me out. Bitch, I'm walking right now, bitch. I'm on feet, bitch. I ain't never get put out. Where the fuck do I go now? Chat, where the fuck I go now? But I don't know shit about Atlanta. Oh. I ain't never been put out before. I ain't never been put out. Bitch, I'm 6 hours away from my crib. Bitch, I'm 6 hours. I'm 6 hours away from my house, bruh. Bitch, I'm in a whole nother nigga state. I get caught lacking right now, bitch, I'ma die. I ain't got no blick on me, no gun. I ain't got shit on me. You talking about shit like I'm homeless, man. Y'all talking about call Uber. Where I'm gonna call the Uber to? It's 12 o'clock at night. I can't go to the airport, bitch. They don't got no flights. Y'all talking about call the Uber. Bitch, I need to call a waterman. I'm thirsty as fuck. Damn, all the stores closed. Fuck. She put a nigga out like Chuck. She put a nigga, yo, me brother. Me brother! Look! Me brother! Bitch, we homeless tonight, bitch. I ain't got nowhere to go. On my mama. Oh, shit. Oh. Me brother! Me, I can sleep with you? I can't sleep with you? All right, my bad, Brody. Fuck. Damn. Bitch told me no. Bruh. They say, King, she's calling the police. Bro, I didn't do shit. What the fuck? She hit me. What the fuck? She called the police. I ain't do shit. Bitch, I got proof. She hit me. What the fuck? My mama, my lip, bro. She bust my lip. She literally bust my lip. She bust my lip. She bit me. She probably pulled out a dread or two. She did me some. Then she put me out. Bro, what is the nearest store around this? I'm thirsty as fuck, man. Fuck! She only put me out. She only put me out because she grabbed the knife. It's the only reason why she put me out. Oh God, that's the only reason why she put me out on my mama. On my dad, cuz she only put me out because she grabbed the knife. Oh God, I would've stayed my ass right there. Oh God, on my dad, cuz I would've stayed right there. God, on my dead car, I would stay right there. On God. On my mama's that. That's a big ass spider. Chat, on my mama, she only put me up because she grabbed the knife. That's the only reason why she grabbed the knife. I didn't even do shit. She literally pulled my earring out. My whole fucking ear bleeding. I got blood right here. I got blood right here. I got blood on my pants. She did that to me. What the fuck? Bitch. She did me some. I didn't even touch her, bro. I literally went in. I put my bag down in the closet. I was finna grab my clothes out to take a shower. I literally was finna take a shower. She come in there talking about, oh, you wanna fight? Let's show the people. Let's show the people. What if I went to go take a shower, bruh? Is this the police right here? I ain't even do shit. I ain't even do shit. Fuck. Who this is? Oh. Bro, she literally broke my earring, bro. These 1 of them, bro. My fucking jeweler gave me these on my birthday. She broke my earring, bro. She literally fucking bit me. She put me out. My phone at 7%. I'm thirsty as fuck. Where the fuck is the stores, bro? Fuck! I'm thirsty as fuck, bro. I ain't even do shit, bro. Chat, on my mama, I literally got my shit. People keep talking about call an Uber. Call an Uber to where, bro? What the fuck am I gonna call an Uber to? What the fuck? No! Oh, Publix open? Mercy. I got a fucking headache, chat. I literally have a fucking headache. Try to pull my hair out, bro. Try to pull my fucking hair out. They said him homeless. Oh God, I'm homeless in a bit. I'm trying to see if this bitch open. Fuck. I'm homeless as fuck, bitch. They said, hit a suitcase. Tell I'm homeless as a bitch, bro. She literally put me out just as I was finna take a shower. She said, fuck that. Bitch, I don't even want you showering in my shit. No, she weird. No, she weird. She got my house keys for real? Whoa. What the fuck? Bruh, she got my house keys for real, dog. Oh my fucking God. This bitch play too fucking much, bruh. Bro, what the fuck? She got my house keys for real, dog. Oh, fucking God, bro. Oh my fucking God. Chat, this the only fucking key I got. This the only key I got, bro. She got my house key. She got my house key, bro. I'm gonna take these fucking pants off. I don't give a fuck where I'm at. It's just hot as hell. Bitch. Fuck that. I don't give a fuck where I'm at. Bitch. I'm sweating like a slave. She got my house key. My phone at what? 5%? Fuck! Some bullshit! Where the fuck my Why the fuck would she keep my house key though? Chat, it's a dirty world we live in. It's a dirty world we live in. My mama. It's a dirty world we live in, dog. She done took my house key. Ah, shit. My fucking toe cramping up. He said, weak jelly back. Shut up. Chat, I'm telling y'all, chat, that Jamaican pussy get serious. On my mama, boy. On my mama, boy. Hey, that Jamaican pussy get like that. I'm talking, I'm in that bitch like that. I'm in that bitch like that. Bitch, I'm in that bitch finna. I'm in that bitch finna. Bitch, I'm finna. Hey, nah, on some real shit though, chat. On some real nigga shit though. Chat, y'all don't understand. I love that shit, chat. I've been in situations worse than this. Y'all don't understand it. I've been in situations worse than this. On God. But y'all done got stabbed and all. Y'all think I'm capping? Y'all think I'm capping? I done been stabbed and all type of shit. This ain't nothing to me, bro. It's like y'all not understanding. She grabbed big boy knife. Oh my mama, I'm talking about she grabbed the knife. Oh my mama, she grabbed big stupid knife. Oh my dead cousin. She grabbed one of them cutting the chicken knife, bitch. One of them knives they use to cut the chickens, bitch, while they alive. I said, who? Not I, bitch, I'm gone. Bitch, I am out. I can't afford to get stabbed again. Hell nah. Chat, how I look though? Am I still in good hands or no? Bitch, I'm popped. They said, what you on? I ain't even on shit. I'm sober than the bed. I left my weed and all in the crib. Bitch, I was just trying to take a shower, roll up, chill. She done put a nigga out. Hey, RJ, call me an Uber, Brody. Call me an Uber. Call me an Uber, bro, to the nearest store. Damn, she done broke my earrings, all type of shit, bro. Fuck, these was 101. I can never find these again. He made these strictly for me, gave these to me on my birthday, bro. She weird as fuck for that, bro. She bit me, all type of shit. Bust my lip. This is what she want y'all to see. And I was kissing her the whole time, cause I love that shit, nigga. So like, come here, babe. Give me a kiss. Give me a sloppy one. Fuck. Hey, RJ, call me an Uber, Brody. Call me an Uber to the nearest gas station. You got my location. You got my current location. Call me an Uber, Brody. They said you play too much. Y'all tell me I play too much. Like, y'all don't know why y'all taking me as a joke. I told y'all life too short. Life too short. I'm full of energy. I'm full of energy. Sometimes, bitch, I think to myself, bitch, I got too much energy, bitch. But then again, hey, Brody, call me an Uber. Call me an Uber to the nearest gas station. I need a plug. My phone at 3%. I need a fucking plug. Try to pull my fucking hair out. Damn, that's crazy. I damn got a headache on the slit. I need a plug. They keep talking about this is the worst part of Atlanta. Bitch, I'm my chill with no gun on me. Come do me some, please. I've been waiting to die. I ain't lying. I've been waiting to die. Folks' grave, bitch, my cousin been left me. My cousin left me 4 years ago. Fuck, I need a plug, dog. Oh, perfect. Bitch, that's not a plug. You said, why you can't call Uber? Cause, man, my phone finna go dead, all type of shit. Y'all talking about she trying to call the police. I ain't hit her. On my mama. On God. I never hit no woman, bro. On folks' grave, I ain't hit her. I just put her ass in a full Nelson. On my mama, I put her ass in a full Nelson. On bro grave, I swear to God, I put her ass in a full Nelson. On God, I ain't touch her. Bitch. She hit me, bitch. She hit me right in my shit. On my mama, she punched me dead in my shit. I ate that shit though. God, I ate that shit. Tripping. Ate that shit. What's a plug right here? Perfect. Perfecto. Plug right here. They keep telling me I go home. Bitch, I stay 6 hours away. Where am I going home to? Fuck. I'm finna take my ass back over here right quick though. He said go to the airport. He said you look frightened. Bro, y'all talking about frightened. What I'm scared of, I'm in another nigga state. They got all rights to do me something. God. I'm in another nigga state. Bitch, I stay 6 hours away. They got all rights to do whatever they want to do. Oh, mama. Shit. Fuck. They said, you need help? I stay in Atlanta. Hell yeah, man. Bring me some water, brother. Bring me some fucking water, bro. You stay in Atlanta? Where you stay at? DM me. DM me right quick. DM me right quick. Hey, tap my phone out, 1%. Tap my phone out, 1%. My shit go dead. Just know I'm standing on business. Hey. Just know I'm standing on business, dog. No, they locked me. They locked this bitch. Fuck. On at 1%, right? My phone literally at fucking 1. Child, who stay in Atlanta? Child, who in this bitch stay in Atlanta? Who stay in Atlanta? Said call the police? Fuck no. Bitch, they might come here and ask me my name and tell me I got a warrant. Bitch say call the police. Bitch, is you crazy? Oh, this bitch open. Oh, and there's AC in this bitch. Whoo. Good AC. Oh, my mama. Great AC. Bitch, I'm finna buy some weed. I ain't lying, bitch. I need to cool my nerves.
I need him to leave the complex. Yeah.
So you already met with an officer earlier?
No, I didn't meet with an officer earlier because what happened is he came off the property, but now he's back on.
Okay, is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's black.
What's he wearing?
He doesn't has no shirt on now and a red shorts. His name is Cedric John Jackson. And he has a lot of tattoo.
You said Cedric Jackson?
Cedric Jenkins.
Jenkins?
Yes, Jenkins.
Okay, so he does not live there?
No, he does not live here at all.
Okay. All right, what apartment are you in?
He's like it looks like he's down by the leasing office, or is like, yeah, he's where the leasing office is. Okay, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You have to lift up to this blood clot. And remember, you have court tomorrow, July 10. I'm going to go tell the police the things and when them come watch. Lift up, batty boy. Go! I want to go suck on the mama too. Yeah, tell him that. I'm going to come out of my complex. Charge rich phone boy, yeah. Lift up. You think I'm going to pick you up? And you're going to come in my yard? And me and you go good? Go suck your mother. You tell her, Kaiser. Lift up. Go on like you don't want to come blood clot come and then come style me. Like I I think everyone only can come take me for you that. I tell you so the last two I come, them never blood clot come out when I go for them. Oh. Come out of my place. Leave. And I go downstairs. And any no go down there, me I walk go down there.